Hi! Yo yo, we're back. Okay, right now we're in Venice and we're roaming the streets because the best way to hang out in Venice is to get lost. Freaking picture. Hi. And we're probably gonna get some really weird looks. Let's get this thing.
You're gonna trip. Okay.
trip. No trip. But
Not yet, at least.
okay, there's like one of the street things that they're like all over the place. Go. Let's go here. There's all these creepy tunnels everywhere, like everywhere.
I love it. That reminds you of the story we read in English.
Look at this. It's so pretty here.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, it does.
Okay, guys, I'm running out of things to talk about. Ew, look at that pretty flower. Pretty flower.
Look, graffiti.
There's graffiti a lot.
Yeah, there's graffiti and freaking this awesome Placeland.
Placeland? Yes. Placeland.
Italian skaters.
Ooh, Italian skaters.
What are they?
Okay, we're in a corner. In a corner.
It's a street.
Oh, geez. Here we go.
Wow, this isn't creepy at all.
It doesn't really end up anywhere. Okay, we're gonna go and get killed.